Hello there. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to schedule a meeting on Jitsi. Go to Google search and type in Jitsi Meet and click on this. Type in the title of your meeting. And click on Go. What you see here that we have different features. This one is if you want to share your screen, and this one if you want to raise or lower your hand, and that one is for chat for the participant to chat during the meeting, and this one is the microphone, you can switch it on and off, and this one is for leaving the meeting and switching on and off the camera. Let's explore further what is here. Okay, that's kind of like zooming in and out. Right, and here we find the information on link. So if you would like to copy the link, you just click there and click on copy the link, and then you can send it to the participants. And here you find all different features such as manage video quality. Again, here you will choose whether you want a higher definition or standard. Just let's quickly click on that. Low bandwidth, low definition, standard definition, or high definition. So whichever you would like to choose, you just click above it and it's selected, and then you just click on done. So you want high definition, and go back again to more options. If you would like to view full screen, and then you can also click here, start live stream, start recording, share a YouTube video, and blur my background. If you want your background to be blurry, you can also click there, settings, mute everyone, speaker statistics, and view shortcuts. So let's see what's on settings. Right, under devices, this is what you can see. Audio output, microphone, and camera. And again, here you just select the quality that you want. And under profile, that's where you would find your name and the email address. Because I haven't actually signed up yet with Jitsi, I think that's why you don't see my email address. And then under calendar, so here you get an option of signing up with Google or Microsoft. And what's under more, you are able to actually mute everyone or hide everybody, and also follow everyone if you just click in one of those. And you can also actually choose, select the language that you would like to be used in the meeting. Yes, so that's basically it about Jitsi. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.